Dust hangs lazy in cathedral air, painting halos no one wears. Every floating question has no voice until the answer becomes a choice. Old boots creeping by the doorway know the miles before we do. Every road begins as silence, waiting for a promise that's true. Wild vines climbing broken fences, never ask which side they're on. Morning uncovers shattered mirrors, making one sky out of none. Smoke can make a mountain vanish, rain can make it reappear. Maybe truth is always whispered lower than the sound we hear. Every unanswered question leaves an outline in the dark. When the light finds its own shape, every shadow tells the truth. Every crack becomes a window, every lie lets courage through. All the scattered pieces singing like they knew before we knew. Clarity isn't making something different, it's finally seeing what's been seeing you. Crows calling to echoes for validation, branches bend beneath the snow. Seeds don't worry where they're buried, they just want the chance to grow. Hands are stained with honest labor, lines the river couldn't steal. Funny how the deepest answers never ask us how we feel. Every broken constellation still remembers how to burn. When the light finds its own shape, every shadow tells the truth. Every crack becomes a window, every lie lets courage through. All the scattered pieces singing like they knew before we knew. Clarity isn't making something different, it's finally seeing what's been seeing you. Pull the thread, don't pull harder. Watch the knot undo itself. Turn the prism, don't chase colors. Let the white become the light. All our lives we've been trying to force the picture into place. Maybe the meaning isn't hidden, maybe haste hides its face. Every map remembers courage, every star remembers dawn. The truth was never waiting for us, it was waiting for us to slow down. Now the light has found its shape, now the darkness has a name. Now the rivers know the ocean lives inside them all the same. Raise your voices, raise your questions, question what you cannot prove. Every map remembers courage, and every heart remembers truth. Sometimes all the world is asking is for someone brave enough to finally see it through. The light was never looking for the sky, only a window the courage to become a choice.